storage capacity planning inside Visual Storage Intelligence. There are actually multiple levels of capacity planning that can be performed inside Visual Storage Intelligence. All the capabilities are the same in each one of the environments. So you can do it. As you can see here, this is the enterprise storage summary screen. You can do capacity planning at a data center level, device type, device classification, which allows you to group things, or by application area as well. So you can take a collection of devices and treat them as an entity and do capacity planning. You can also do it at the device level specifically and the pool level. I'm going to use the device level just for sake of this discussion to show you what and how this capability exists. So in the device level, I drilled into a particular device in my demo account. I can look at the history over time. In my case, I can look at the history by pool. You can see those different charts there. I'm going to choose device capacity plan. And what this actually does is it takes the previous 6 months worth of data. And in this particular case, I believe I have, it's up through April. I believe I have through February. But the used line is the number that comes from the device to this point in time. And then there are 3 threshold lines, 70%, 80%, and 100% are the 3 threshold lines to show you when you'd cross those lines. And the initial growth rate is the weighted average. So the weighted average over the last 6 months of the period, and it will take the most current 3 months, that will get 60%. The next 2 will get 30%, and the last 1 month will get 10% of the overall weighted average growth. But you, the customer, can come in here and select how many months you want to use, and you can actually see it will dynamically change based on the number of months I choose. I'm going to leave it here for now, but the other piece you can do, that's the weighted average. If I don't like to represent the current or future growth based on past, I can come in here and say, I would like to use a 4% growth rate, and it will change that number to be as you see here. In this particular case, I'm going to go back and just pick 1%, so it's not quite so dramatic. Maybe I'll pick 2% for now. So you can see that's the growth trend line that I think will be in the future. And the other piece is the ability to model on the screen. I have new workloads that I know about coming on board. So in July, I believe there's going to be an SAP workload that's 40 terabytes. And I can note that here. All this information is then saved within my model, and you see the used line now jumps up where I expected it to jump up. And I can also model adding capacity to my array as well. So I'll model adding 50 terabytes to this particular array to see if it satisfies. And I notice I'm actually over 80% within the planning horizon, and I never want that to occur. So I'll go back and I can now interactively model. Let's make it 75 terabytes and see if that keeps me under the threshold line, and it does. So I can now save that, reset it if I want to, but now I've interactively, in a matter of minutes, done a capacity plan for my storage environment at whatever level I want. Pool, array, data center, device classification, or a collection of devices, all in one product, all online, all saved. And then if I want to, I can go up here and generate my own capacity plan PDF report. And now I have that for use throughout the organization.